Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to show you how you can make an image or photo transparent in your app projects on Adalo App Builder in 2026. So let us dive into this. Let me navigate to the app builder here on Adalo and choose this app building project here. Navigate or zoom into the given screen or card of your app and click into the given image. Now to change its opacity, left click into it, and here in the image settings, navigate to setup, scroll all the way down, click into that pencil icon next to edit styles, and here at the very bottom you will see the opacity. You may use that slider here. It's barely visible, I know, because there's that white background and the slider is also white. So but there is that button here. You can move it along that slider to adjust the image opacity, and you will see the live result here to the left. Or you use that field here and enter the value of the given transparency or level. I will go with, I don't know, let's go with 1%. And in this case, the image will be almost invisible like this. So that's how it works. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.